up in the sky. Did you know that the hot air balloon was the first mode of air transport used by man? Let us decorate this hot air balloon. You will need glue, your photo, square jute patch, candy stick, small, glitter. Apply glue on alternate bands of the hot air balloon. Sprinkle pink glitter on the balloon as shown. Apply glue on the remaining empty bands and sprinkle blue glitter. Dust off the excess glitter. Apply glue on the basket and paste the jute piece on it. Do not paste the top edge. Take the candy stick and paste your photo on it. Insert the candy stick into the jute basket as shown. The hot air balloon is ready to fly up in the sky.